Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create a spam filter for your inbox on Gmail really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Gmail inbox on Gmail, for example, accessed via the Gmail web application. And basically, guys, there are two different ways how you can block senders here in your inbox and also make Gmail send all emails or move all emails that have been sent to you from that user automatically to the spam folder. The first option would be to simply access any email from the given sender you like. So let me go, for example, with one of these promotional emails here for the sake of this tutorial. Left click on it, and after that click on these three dots in the top right of the email and select this option block, and then you see the username or sender name here. Click on it, and after that confirm by clicking on block here. And from now on, all emails sent to you from that email address or from that sender will be automatically moved to the spam folder here on the left-hand side by Gmail. That's the first option, guys. Alternatively, what you may do also is head over to your Gmail inbox settings. To do that, click on that gear icon in the top right and select See All Settings here. And inside your inbox settings, switch from the General tab to this one here, Filters and Blocked Addresses. And here you will be given the opportunity to create a completely new spam filter by clicking on that button here, Create a New Filter. After that, you will see that window popping up here. So here, where it says From, you may enter the sender's email address to block any emails from that sender in the future. So head back to your email and copy the email address of the given user you would like to block. Head back to your inbox settings here and paste the address here. And after that, confirm by clicking on Create a Filter. You may also let Gmail, for example, block emails or delete emails listed under specific words, keywords, search terms, filter and sort by that, for example, by subject type, by email size, and so on and so forth, with attachment or without. So the simplest way would be to simply filter by email address or by username. So let me go with that option here and confirm by clicking on Create Filter here. And after that, Gmail will ask you what type of action you would like to take on after marking that sender as spam. For example, you may give Gmail the command to mark all emails as read, star them, forward them if you like, or simply make Gmail delete them, which is probably the easiest and most convenient option. So from now on, if you select delete here and confirm by clicking Create Filter, all emails sent to you from that email address here will be automatically deleted by Gmail. So your filter was created, as you can see. So that's how you create a spam filter step by step here on Gmail. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.